Kannst du mich jetzt hören?
Ja, ich kann dich hören.
Alles gut, dann gleich. Kannst du mal bei TikTok gucken, es geht bei TikTok live. Ja, kannst du ja mal gucken. Dann, weil das ist abenteuerlich. Also ich mache das in Englisch, aber dann haben die das hier auch noch. Ne? Das glaube ich später. So. Then you can see. Year 50,
Yes, yes, yeah, I thought it's 50, yeah, okay.
Year 50.
That was not
So, 3, 1. Second one. Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. Girls and guys, and so on. We are live here. Live stream. Fahrschule, mich, Ludwig. And we want to we go straight ahead. What I cannot change. Geht nicht, wie kriegt denn das Ding hier? Das ist da alles Kacke. Wie geht denn das? Jetzt. So. Yeah, hello, good morning. We are here in Düsseldorf, driving school. So now we turn left. Turn left, look inside, check before. No? Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indication, side look. And we stop here. I don't know, you have a TikTok or what? An account by TikTok? Or not?
Sorry?
You have no account by TikTok?
TikTok?
Nope.
Yes, I have it, but I don't use it. Because I don't like the
then
application.
maybe I make now a film for this year in English, yeah, and
Good.
give all instructions, yeah, and then you can learn, you can look this video and maybe help you.
Yeah,
maybe
I
can help
already
you then.
viewed the German one.
Yeah,
on
the German
YouTube.
one, no? But it's not enough, no? Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay. Then maybe it can help you this video, and then you can look this.
Yeah, I
video.
can check it. Just
Maybe.
after you can choose the account and I will
Yes.
follow you.
Okay. Think about your 50.
Yeah.
No, speed limit 50 here. And straight ahead. We go now in a circle. And we take the first exit one. Take the first exit. Take the first exit. Take the first exit. And look here on the corner. There's a 30 sign. And we turn right. Here's the next exit on the airport, Düsseldorf. And we take this exit. And in the next you have a go away sign. A giveaway sign. Your line is finished. And change your line with checking. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, and a side look. And the direction is now Feldert. Pay attention for the car near you. It's a little bit closer. Okay. And the direction is now Feldert. Can you listen me? With me and my answer?
Sorry?
No, here in the TikTok.
Yeah.
That is nice. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Okay. So now we are here, have an entry. And give gas. Stay here on this line.